how to make a new password on PS5. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can make a new password on PS5, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to make a new password on PS5, all you have to do is simply first of all go to settings, and when you go to settings you'll be able to see all these options. Just go to users and accounts. When you go to users and accounts, you can see login settings, and over here on the right hand side you'll be able to see an option that says require a PS5 login code. Now what kind of password are you talking about? Are you talking about a password of your PlayStation account, or are you talking about only the profile on PlayStation? So if you're only talking about the profile, you can simply go ahead and enter a new password you want to use. But if you're talking about maybe let's say resetting your PSN account password, which is for your PSN account, you can just come to the security tab, and now you can simply go ahead and click the password option, enter the current password and enter the new password and re-enter them to successfully change your password. This way you can make a new password on PS5. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.